Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best radar detectors under $200 on Amazon. A radar detector can help you slow down if you're accidentally speeding, so you don't wind up with a speeding ticket. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Cobra Rad 480i Laser Radar Detector. This laser radar detector is one incredibly smart radar detector. It uses innovative technology to offer advanced radar and laser detection, as well as smart connectivity. This radar detector provides Bluetooth connectivity and the Radar app, two details that allow you to get radar detection right on your smartphone. You can get real-time alerts for radar, red light cameras, and law enforcement activity from more than 3 million drivers. The radar detector itself offers front and rear detection with Cobra's innovative laser eye technology. Digital signal processing and next-generation filtering ensure your radar alerts are accurate. Whether you're using the radar detector in your car or on your smartphone, you'll be well prepared for the road. Number 2. Oniton DFR1 Long-Range Laser Radar Detection. The Oniton DFR1 long-range laser and radar detection is an incredibly affordable radar detector, but don't let the low price fool you. This handy device is highly effective, and it even works well at long distances. It offers long-range sensitivity, providing wideband protection from both radar and laser guns. It operates with false alert filtering technology, ensuring you only get alerted to slow down when there's actually a cop using radar on your vehicle. This radar detector provides front and rear detection with Oniton's unique Eagle Eye laser detection technology. You can set it to suit your driving mode: highway, city, and city 1, and a memory feature saves your favorite settings. You'll get a lot of value for your money with this affordable and highly effective radar detector. Number 3. Oniton DFR7 Super Long Range Wideband Laser. The Oniton DFR7 Super Range Radar Detector is a powerful and reliable device designed to enhance your driving experience and keep you informed about potential speed traps or radar activity. The Oniton DFR7 offers an exceptional range and sensitivity that enables it to detect radar signals from a distance, giving drivers ample time to adjust their speed. Its long-range capabilities are particularly impressive, allowing for early detection of radar guns used by law enforcement agencies. The Oniton DFR7 offers a range of customizable settings, allowing drivers to personalize their radar detection experience. Users can adjust the sensitivity levels based on their preferences and driving conditions. Additionally, the device provides different alert options, including voice alerts and tone-only alerts, giving drivers the flexibility to choose the notification method that suits them best. Whether you're a frequent road traveler or someone looking to enhance your driving experience, the Oniton DFR7 is an excellent choice that offers exceptional value for money. Number 4. Oniton R1 Extreme Long Range Radar Detector. The Oniton R1 Extreme Long Range Radar Detector offers an impressive range. You can't beat the extra long range provided by this device, a detail that can be very valuable if you're traveling at high speeds and long distances. Having a radar or laser warning is critical so you can slow down and avoid a ticket, and this radar detector can help you achieve that with its extremely long range. It can detect laser and radar from 360 degrees, including the front and rear. It's also equipped with a GPS that can alert you about red light cameras, a quiet ride user mode that shows alerts on the display screen, and a digital signal processor. You'll have plenty of time to slow down and make adjustments on every drive. Number 5. Whistler Laser Radar Detector. The Whistler Laser Radar Detector is a feature-filled radar detector that can be advantageous on the road. Measuring 7.8 to 6.1 to 2 inches in size and weighing just 0.5 pounds, this relatively small device can be quite effective thanks to all of its functions and features. It can detect different radar and laser types, and it can even work with newer technologies like Laser Atlanta Stealth Mode, Laser Ally, and LTI TrueSpeed 3. It offers multiple operation modes for city and highway driving, and it even has an internal GPS to help you detect red light or speed cameras in addition to radar. It uses both dim and dark modes for increased visibility, and it allows you to customize the warning alerts you receive. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.